Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagosheni and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add big wavy volume in your hair without using any hairspray, heat or any styling product. So I have not made a video in quite some time and I missed making videos, so here I am back. So if you don't know already, I have poker straight hair, like naturally poker straight hair. So this is after I have added which lay flat most of the time. So this that you see in the video right now is after the trick that I have done with this sock. So it's a little trick, and since I don't like using heat or too many styling products in my hair, I always trying to find hacks that get stuff done for me. So if you're like me, then please do keep watching. So basically the only tool that you will be needing for this hairstyle is an old sock. I guess you don't like everyone has an old sock in their house, and we are just going to cut the toes of it, which I've already done. So I have cut so that there are two openings in the sock, this one and from the one that you wear the socks. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to twist this sock inwards to make a hair donut replica. So I'm just going to do it like this, and it's very easy. And I'm going to just tuck things in. And it's done. So see, there's an opening, and this is exactly how it should look like. So you don't need it to be very perfect or anything, you just need the structure of a donut with an opening in the middle of it. So now what you're going to do is you're just going to make a high ponytail, and remember that this hairstyle works best on semi-damp hair. So just make sure that your hair is semi-damp when you are tying the ponytail. So I'm just going to make sure that there are no tangles in my ponytail, because it's just going to make things difficult, and make sure that you do that as well. So I'm making the ponytail quite high because then you will have the waves starting from quite above your hair length. Otherwise it's just going to add volume to the lower part. So make sure that your ponytail is a bit high. Now we are going to just insert this sock donut thing in the ponytail. Now I'm just going to show you one strand. I will separate my hair into two strands. So with this one strand, I'm just going to spray some water in the hair so that it looks I look so funny, so that it looks so that it's really damp. It's not a problem even if it's super wet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wrap this wet section of hair in and around that hair donut. So I'm just going to work with both my hands. Insert two of my fingers inside the donut, and here's the difficult part. You just need a bit of practice to do this, like everything else in life. So basically you're just going to pass this thing through just as I did now, with the help of both your hands. Again, make an opening and pass this through. and keep doing it until your hair is at the end, and then just stuff everything in with U-pins. Next, I'm just going to wet the other section and do the same thing. So now that I have wrapped all the hair around and inside the sock donut, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it for as long as it takes it to dry. And if you're doing it at night, you can just go to sleep and make it dry, let it dry overnight, so that in the morning you wake up with big wavy voluminous hair. So I'm just going to come back after this thing is dried. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out all the U-pins and the bobby pins first. There's just one bobby pin, and then slowly unwrap the sock. But I think this hairstyle looks pretty cool as well. You can even go out in it. So let's get started. So I hope you liked this video. Do let me know if you did in the comment section down below, and give this video a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon beside it so that you get notified every time I come online. Bye.